Hey guys, welcome to the channel of Perfect 10 and welcome to part 2 of how to make Prime Apocalypse's gimmick. And in this episode, I'm going to show you how to make a removable driver. Let's get started. So first, you're going to need 4 of these ramp slopes, 1 of these closed cap or whatever this is called, and then 1 circular disc. So first, you're going to take your ramps, place it like this, and then you place 1 of these closed caps, place it like this. There's your other driver. Now, in the last episode, if you didn't see that, go check that out. I showed you how to make Prime Apocalypse's gimmick, the spinning infinite lock system. So, if you do want to change the driver, you can take that off and replace it with this. Now it's this driver. And if you want to go back to the other one, take that off and place it like this. So that's for the first part. Now let's get into the battling part. I'm going to be showing you how to do it with the 2 drivers and see how they work. So this is the Lego launcher, and let's get spinning with the axle rod tip. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. So that is how your Beyblade gimmick system would look like. But the tip is very, 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 very flat. That, as you could see in the stadium, it was not moving around so much. So let's just fix that by pushing it even more out and snapping it back on to the base. And let's try that again. Put it into the launcher. Good. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Okay, this is much better. As you can see, if I put my finger here, I put my finger at the bottom of the base, and it kept on spinning, which means our test of the driver, meaning the test of the gimmick, has worked. But this video is not on testing the gimmicks, it's on testing the drivers. So now you've seen the axle rod driver. Now let's get into the other driver with the closed cap driver, or whatever that red piece is called. Everything is falling apart because this is Lego, it's not made out of plastic. Basically, yeah. So I fixed it. Now let's get into the battling stage. Three, 2, 1, let it rip. And this is the closed cap version. It's a lot better. This is like for battling with your original Beyblades, like Machina Shindra, Ace Dragon, the Achilles, Voltrak, and Emperor Fornius, those types. So now you've seen how to switch it and how the Beyblade is made in my first part, and in the second part, how to switch the drivers. Stay tuned for part 3 that is going to be coming out. Part 3 is basically battling the gimmick of Prime Apocalypse with real bays like Ace Dragon, Bushina Shindra, those types. And if you like the video and want to see more, please subscribe to the channel of Perfect 10. See you.